welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that the weather is warming up, I have the perfect recipe for you guys. On today's episode, we are making grilled cilantro lime chicken with mango avocado salsa, guys. Let me tell you how easy it is to bring all of this together. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. We are going to start by preparing the marinade for the chicken. First, I like to mince some garlic. And we're going to place that into our bowl. I will be using fresh orange for this recipe. Go ahead and squeeze that into a bowl. And make sure when you are grating the lemon, you don't get the white part of the lemon because it will make your dish bitter. So make sure you don't go too deep and get this part. Now we're going to cut our lime and squeeze it into our bowl. Add your olive oil, soy sauce, honey, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and freshly chopped cilantro with the stem off. Now go ahead and give that a good whisk. After giving this a good whisk, go ahead and taste it to make sure that the salt content is good. I did went and taste that, and mine does need a little bit more salt to my liking. After giving this a good whisk, I am going to reserve some of this marinade, and I'll show you what to do with it later on. I am using chicken thighs for this recipe. What I like to do is go in and remove the extra skin because I do not want this to be hanging over the fire. And you can go in and remove the extra fat. Just like so. Now I am going to continue the same process for the rest of our chicken. After trimming my chicken thighs and removing the excess fat, I am going to place them in our marinade. So this is how my chicken is looking. I am going to cover this with some plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for 2 hours. While we wait for our chicken to marinate in the fridge, we are going to get started on the salsa. Please be careful when slicing your mango that you don't cut yourself. After dicing our mango, we are going to dice our onion. We are going to finely chop our jalapeno, and you can leave the seed in if you want it extra spicy. Finely chop your cilantro. We're going to add our avocado. I'm just going to slice through it. Then I'm going to grab my spoon and basically just spoon that right into our bowl. We're going to dice our tomato. And I do not want the seeds from the tomatoes in this recipe. Now drizzle with some olive oil. Add some black pepper, garlic powder, and some lime juice. I'm also going to add some salt. Now go ahead and place this in the fridge until you are ready to use it. This is how my chicken is looking after 2 hours. So now what we're going to do is move over to the grill. Now that we are outside, I am using a 2-burner grill. So what I like to do is grab a paper towel and soak it with some oil. And this is regular vegetable oil. And I like to set the grill at 400. This is a perfect temperature for grilling. Now go in and rub this all over because we do not want our chicken to stuck to it. Now go ahead and place your chicken with the skin up. And we are going to grill our chicken for about 12 minutes, so about 6 minutes per side. After 6 minutes, go ahead and flip them over. And we're going to grill that side for another 6 minutes. This is our reserve marinade that we had put aside. Now we are going to brush our chicken with it. After 5 minutes, go ahead and flip the chicken over, and we are going to brush the top of the skin. After 15 minutes, I am going to check the chicken with a thermometer, and I want it to reach 165 degrees. So make sure you check all your chicken just to make sure that they had reached the exact temperature of 165. And this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello guys, so my grilled cilantro chicken and mango avocado salsa is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? This is like the perfect summer dish, guys. The weather is warm outside. Go and enjoy it with this recipe. Seriously, I don't know what else to tell you guys but to try this recipe. That's how incredible, delicious it is. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.